Welcome students. Sanskrit Namani. This grammar topic we are discussing. In last AV, Nama, Pratipadikam and Vibhakti Rupani. These points I discussed with you. And now the tables I'll discuss with you. If these particular tables are learned, then other words also you are able to understand very well. For example, this is Deva table. If you are knowing this table very well, then which words or which nouns are having a vowel finally, and if those nouns are masculine nouns, then all those nouns with a ending, and if they are masculine, then they will decline like they were only. So just one table you have to learn. So remaining similar nouns will decline in the same way. Examples are given here, see. For example, Deva. Then Danta, tooth. Desha, country. Chamasa, spoon. Chashak, cup. Hasta, hand. Varga, classroom. Syuta, school bag. Deepa, lamp. Pad, foot. Karna, ear. These other nouns, actually many are there, but these other nouns, some are given, will decline like Deva only. So Deva you have to learn. Then Mala, Strilingam, Deva Pullingam, Akarantam, Devo, so Akarantam, and To Dev we say in Marathi. Singular only we have to consider, then only proper gender we will understand. So Pullingam, Mala means in Marathi Mal, Ti Mal we say. So Strilingam, and finally which vowel we are getting? Mala, A vowel we are getting. So this table also you have to learn very well, and these other words will decline. Some examples are given, will decline like Mala only. So suppose Mala table is learnt very well. So in case of other nouns, any problem won't be there, because this table will help you to get the Vibhakti forms. Shala, school. Vidya, knowledge. Bala, girl. Kanya, daughter. Katha, story. Kala, art. Krida, game. Game type. So these some examples or nouns having a vowel finally, and these are feminine nouns, will decline like Mala. And now see Vana. See finally which vowel we are getting? A only vowel, like Deva only, but Deva Pullingam, masculine. But Vana is Te jungle we say. So Napusakalingam. So one table is there. Three different tables are there. In first term, only these three tables we have to study. In second term, other tables are there. Other nouns having different vowel. Finally, Kavi, E. Mati, E. Nadi, E. Vari, E. So here Dirgha, here Rasva E, here Rasva E, finally here also Rasva. So these tables are there in second term to learn. So in first term, these three tables you have to learn very well. So when one table you will learn, then other nouns, for example, Jala, water. Vyajana, fan. Pustaka, book. Yutaka, shirt. Jnana, knowledge. Asana, chair. Then nritya, dance, dana, donation, phala, fruit, dhana, wealth, gruha, house, bhuri. Bhuri is different. Bhuri is related to vari, huh? But up to gruha. See, finally a only ending we are getting. And napusakalingam. So some examples are given. Actually, many nouns are there. Napusakalingam and having a ending, but some are given here for your understanding. So these other nouns will also decline like vana only. So deva, mala, vana, these tables we have to learn very well. So first table, see, deva table. How deva word is formed, see, actually which vowels are there, which consonants are there in deva. See, they, first letter. So actually what is together here, this consonant is there plus a, so it is they. And w, this consonant and plus a. So the and w, these are consonants, but with them a and o, these vowels are there. So in this way only any word is formed. Some consonants are there, some vowels are there, consonants and vowels together. In this way word is formed. So vigraha, you understood na? Varna vigraha, this is how deva word is formed. The plus a plus w plus o. See, this is halanta. Halanta means one vowel is needed behind. Then only you can utter it like wo. Otherwise just wo you will say. Deva, a vowel is there. And to dev we say, so it is pullingam, masculine. And finally a is there, so it is akarantam. This keep in mind, this information keep in mind. And these are vibhaktis. Vibhaktis means cases in English. Because in English also cases are there. In Sanskrit it is called vibhaktihi. Prathama nominative, Dvitiya accusative, Tritiya instrumental, Chaturthi dative, Panchami ablative, Shashti genitive, Saptami it is locative, and Sambodhanam is not vibhakti, separate vibhakti, it is related to Prathama only. And in case of Prathama any preposition is not added. And in case of Sambodhanam also any preposition is not there. When we call somebody, then before that particular noun, which expression, which letter or which word we are using, it is Sambodhanam. Okay. So, O God we say na, He Deva, AI, O Sir, O Teacher. That is Sambodhanam. Okay. Then which prepositions are added to which vibhaktis? Keep in mind, Prathama any preposition is not added. Dvitiya to, Tritiya by, Chaturthi to and for. Here again to is used, but this is Chaturthi. When we give something to somebody, then Chaturthi must be there. And if you are going somewhere, then Dvitiya. For example, I go to school. Going is there na, to go. So Dvitiya. But I give my pen to my friend, then it is Chaturthi. From Panchami, of Shashti, on and in Saptami. Now I am reading the complete table. So pronunciation you will understand. See, 4 columns are there: Ekvachanam, Dvivachanam, Bahuvachanam. Lingani 3: Pullingam, Strilingam, Napusakalingam. and numbers are also three: ekvachanam singular, dvivachanam dual, and bahuvachanam plural. So more than one and less than three means two. This keep in mind. So different vibhakti form you will get in Sanskrit. I am reading the table. This table you have to learn very well. Better way, 100 pages notebook maintain for Sanskrit, and very first this table write down. Copy down this table and then learn. See, Devaha, Devau, Devaha, Prathama. Devam, Devau, Devan, Dvitiya. Devena, Devabhyam, Devaihi, Tritiya. Devaya, Devabhyam, Devebhyaha, Chaturthi. Devat, Devabhyam, Devebhyaha, Panchami. Devasya, Devayoho, Devanam, Shashti. Deve, Devayoho, Deveshu, Saptami. And He Deva, He Devau, He Devaha, Sambodhanam. Deva means God in English. You are knowing meaning Deva. Deva, Sanskrit word, but meaning of this word is in English God. So Devaha, this is ekvachanam. Singular it is, and any preposition is not added. So just translation you have to tell. Devaha. This is visarga. When these two dots you will see. Then after any letter, then it is called visarga. So visarga we are getting here. This is prathama ekvachanam form. Vibhakti form understood? If you have to tell the vibhakti form, then devaha. Suppose somebody asked prathama vibhakti form, prathama ekvachanam form of deva, then devaha you will say. Prathama vibhakti and ekvachanam. Prathama dvivachanam devau. Prathama bahuvachanam devaha. Meaning ekvachanam na. So God or a God or one God. Any meaning you can take. Devaha means devau. See, dvivachanam it is. Two gods. Devaha. Many gods. Devaha, one God or a God or just God. Devau, two gods. TWO, two gods. And Devaha, many gods. Okay, meaning now Dvitiya, here two preposition, TO2. This preposition is added. Devam, to a God, to one God or to God, just. Devam means, see, here Pratipadikam, Devaha, Pratipadikam, I told you na in last AV. To school, for example, to school. The school is Pratipadikam. Then here Devam, to a God. So which is Pratipadikam, Devam. Deva is Pratipadikam. Okay? Because this is ending of Dvitiya. Two is added. So we are getting like this ending. But actually main word is, Mula Shabdaha is Deva only, this. So Pratipadikam understood. Suppose Devam, this form is there, Dvitiya ekvachanam. And if you have to tell Pratipadikam, Mula Shabdaha, then Deva only. Deva is the Mula Shabdaha. And name of the vibhakti form, Devam, Dvitiya ekvachanam. Devau, two gods. Two TO2. Two TWO2. Two gods. And Devan, two many gods. Just this preposition you have to keep before that noun. Then Tritiya, by, this preposition is added. Devena, by a God or by God just. Devabhyam, by two gods. TW, and Devahi by many gods. Chaturthi, TO2 or for. This is when you give something, then Chaturthi you have to use. Devaya, to a god or for a god. Devabhyam, to two gods or for two gods. Devebhyaha, to many gods or for many gods. Then, or just gods also you can use, because god singular, gods plural in English. Panchami, from. Devat, when separation is there, then Panchami is used. For example, the fruit is fallen down from the branch. So separation is there, fruit is going away from the branch. So generally Panchami is used from this preposition. See, Devat, from a god. Devabhyam, from two gods. Devebhyaha, from many gods. Shashti, of. Devasya, of a god, means gods, apostrophe s we use. Devayoho, of two gods. Devanam, of many gods. Saptami, on a god or in a god. Devayoho, on two gods, in two gods. Generally among we use in English. And Deveshu, on many gods, in many gods. And Sambodhanam, this is calling. Hey Deva, O God. Hey Deva, O two gods. Hey Devaha, O many gods. Understood? So learn the table. Next table in next AV. Okay, bye.